getting better every year. You know, we got tour buses coming here now. You can't see behind you there, but we just had a tour bus coming in now. We got 135, 140 tour buses, you know, with older people coming into the town every season. So it's doing great for the economy.